Hey guys, it's Phil from OG. Today I'll guide you on a step-by-step on how to install your new OG 13-inch Axial big brake floating rotor kit for 18+ Softails and Dyna. For this demo, we'll be working on 2025 Lowrider S. Before starting, I highly advise you grab your shop manual for additional information. Here's a quick look at the tools you'll need for the job. A torque wrench, a 3/4 Allen socket, a 8mm Allen socket, a T40 Torx socket, a 14mm socket, a 12mm socket, a 10mm 12-point socket, a 1/2-inch 12-point socket, a 3/8 12-point socket, a 10mm wrench, a 12mm wrench, a ratchet, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Important to note, this kit requires a +2-inch extended lower brake lines. For this install, we'll be using the Magnum Shielding's AS470192. Refer to our written instructions for fitment with other models. Start by draining the front brake system completely, then remove your lower brake lines. Next, remove the brake calipers from both sides. With the calipers off, go ahead and remove the front wheel. Now replace the OEM rotors with the 13-inch Galfer rotors included in your kit. Apply a small amount of blue Loctite to each rotor bolt, then torque them to 25 foot-pounds. On this bike, we'll be using our ARP bolt kits for hub-mounted rotors that are sold separately. With the new rotors installed, we'll reinstall the front wheel. Identify the brake side and clutch side caliper brackets that are included in your kit. Begin with the brake side bracket and mount it to the brake side caliper using the supplied ARP hardware. Use blue Loctite and torque the bolts to 35 foot-pounds. Repeat what we just did onto the clutch side using the clutch side bracket supplied in your kit. With the brackets in place, reinstall your OEM calipers using the supplied ARP bolts. Again, apply blue Loctite and torque to 35 foot-pounds. Spin your front wheel to ensure there's no interference and proper rotor alignment. Next, install your extended lower brake lines. With everything installed, bleed the front brake system. If your bike has ABS like this one, you'll need to have it bled by a certified technician with the proper tools and diagnostic hardware. If you have any questions regarding this installation, please feel free to call us or email us at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.